In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find recently viewed posts on Facebook. It's super easy, and I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. First, open up the Facebook app on your device. As you're scrolling through your feed, watching videos, or checking out various posts, you might come across something you want to revisit later. The best way to find it again is by using the search feature. So, tap the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, type in "post seen by me recently" into the search bar and select it from the suggested results. This will pull up a list of posts that you've recently viewed on your feed. You can scroll through this list to find the specific post you're looking for. If you see a post you want to interact with again, whether it's commenting, liking, or saving, you can do so directly from this list. Keep in mind, this method may not capture every single post you viewed, but it should catch the majority of them. To make your search even easier, you can tap on the filter icon in the top right corner to apply different filters and refine your search results. And that's it. With just a bit of scrolling and filtering, you'll be able to find any post you've recently checked out on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.